Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Dude. Of course, in the morning, we get the dang gap down that I wanted today. It's not cool. It's not cool. Spy. Share screen. Let's do this stuff. All right. It's nuts. So as you can see, I had this drawn out perfectly. I was just waiting for market open. Typically, on a day when we sell off entirely, we can just, swing it. It usually continues when it does that. So, also, if you take your take the top of your bear flag and you draw it out, and then you apply it to the breakout. That's the move that we would get. So that means 661.4 would be the end of that bear flag. And then we can see where we go from there. So yeah, we're in this order, this 4-hour order block, right? Goes to the daily. I would say most critical level would be that 665 or 660. 660 is that critical level if we break. We definitely see a pretty big downside move. Down. If we go there, see if we go there, we already broke it. If we go here, yeah. So we'll see. You see how we usually, break and then snap back, break, snap back. Man. We can see a big down move, but also be careful because the whole move could have already happened. So then when market opens, it could just pop back up. We're super oversold. We're at 13. I've definitely still seen things push down. 4 hours still. 4 hours just getting there. We would still have to make a lower low on the 4 hours. So this is going to be very interesting today. I give you that much. A lot of people are going to blow accounts today. I'll tell you that too. Be careful. It's Friday. So when the market first opens on Fridays, every Friday, right? Throughout the week, you got Monday. Monday comes, and your options expirations are expensive, right? Because it's Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, good. Thursday, you got Theta Thursday. So then Theta Thursday comes in, and then in the morning time, your contracts are worth let's say 250, and then by 9 o'clock, that same contract is worth half the value, right? Because of Theta. So same thing with Friday, especially Fridays and end of the months, the last Friday of the month, because you have weekly, monthly, and 0 DTE expirations, right? So that's what you need to be careful for. But other than that bear flag that comes out, give the market some time to open, do what it wants to do. We might come all the way. I don't know. We just gotta watch it. All right. So SPY with that big of a move, I guess we'll just continue to go below, right? If we continue below 66145, this Friday's low from the 7th. So if we do that from last week, then we could see 658. See 661. Yeah. Then we should see 658, 659. For that day. 6614. We actually put. Oh, it's because of that low. I think that's good. I think that's good. 66130 to 658. Okay, that's a good move. Below 658, I mean, these are pre-market levels, but I do think that within these London session levels, we'll probably take a quick bounce at 6565. We could just come all the way down to 653. I'd probably just go for the full 653 move. As soon as we break that 658, we should go to 653. And then 651, yeah. Is that Asia session? Where did this market close that day? Oh, so yeah. I don't think we should really chart past that. Let's see. I mean, screw it. In case it just tanks. That's what we're looking for. All right. Let's just keep level by level. These are actually some pretty good levels. I'm not gonna lie. These are there's some pretty good moves. These are some good sized moves. We can make a lot of money on SPY today. So I would wait for that. If it does pop up first, wait for that pop up. See where we get our rejection, right? Wait for a lower low to be made. So if we're climbing up, we're climbing up. And, we're looking like this. All right. Not every pullback is the reversal. Okay. Wait for either this. Okay. And then continuation down. Yeah. I don't know why it stopped me. Right. See how that works? Or we wait for a key level to get swept, right? Let's say it just sweeps up here. Or let's say yesterday's PDL. So we come up to the PDL, boom, hit this level, break back below 670.5, and then take her all the way down to 661. That would be like the best trade of the day. Morning, boss. I've been trying to catch you. What's up, dude? You know how to get a hold of me, bro. Come on. Y'all know how to get a hold of me. When y'all ready to make some money, y'all come make some money. I don't know if y'all see my video the other day, bro. Shorty made 3,000 in like a week and 3 days just off my watch list. So she goes, she's proof. I got people hit me up all the time with some excuses. So hop in, bro. Ask some questions. Hop in the Discord. Like, reach out, dog. Yeah, dude, SPY's freaking tanking. Let's see NVIDIA. Probably even NVIDIA. It's just also everything. I mean, we're all back at support, back at oversold levels. This could be slight bullish divergence. See? So like on the 1 hour, you have your bullish divergence like that. And then on the RSI, you come over here. Right? I don't know how to get it. There you go. So that would be your bullish divergence to go to the upside. Obviously, you still need to wait for your confirmation though. Like with anything, I have seen things sell off like crazy with being oversold. So I think honestly with NVIDIA, what's that? 179, 178. But hey, while you're in here, bro, ask any questions, any stocks you're looking at or whatever. Let me know. So boom, we break that. All think we would grab this whole move. There's no way. 177.66. Yeah, I would have to probably just say, I would just have to say 179. We'll just wait for NVIDIA to break 179, and then we'll go down to 177.6. Yeah, I mean, not too pretty, not really the prettiest. If you gotta look that hard for some clean levels to the side, just let the move happen. Let the move happen, catch on the way up. On the bright side, though, if you guys have extra money on the side for long terms, NVIDIA's at a 15% drop. So I would say NVIDIA at 168.5, amazing ad. That would be a great ad on NVIDIA. I mean, anything at a 20% discount. I feel like this is a great ad. 19, yeah. So Tesla's pretty much at 20%. That's a great return. AMD actually might be able to catch some good. I think Tesla might be the move again, to be honest. All right, bet. Let's fucking go, dude. That's dope. Nothing special. That's good, bro. A lot of people don't even have, that's good. That's really good. Good shit. I like that. I don't know. Everybody else, I mean, I got a couple of my one-on-ones in here. You think if he's in the first day, he should try to catch plays? Honestly, today, bro, might not be the best day to try to catch a play, but it also could end up being the best day. I mean, we could if we do reverse and we catch the reversal all the way to the upside, that would be a fire play. And if it continues down and we catch it, I mean, that's a $7-10 move potential on Tesla. Yeah. Just text me, bro. Here, or reach out to me on Instagram or text me, and then we'll talk. The 246 to 249 on AMD is pretty fire. Nah, you good, family. You good. Nobody who's trying to come and make money is interrupting. All right. We need some more people that actually want to come make some goddamn money. See, 237. That's pretty crazy. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that. All right. 234, 232. Probably just wait for that. Good morning. Did you miss SPY? Did you just come on? Is that why? I'll go back over SPY. It's only 7:45 too, so we got time. It's just falling. Look at Meta. Look at Meta's bullish divergence. Yeah, I already went over it. See, man. I'm telling you, I'm lucky you got me now before I get hundreds of thousands of people in here. 6 a.m. over here. Oh yeah, I forgot you're on vacation. That's some good bullish divergence on Meta. I'm curious to see how far Meta goes down, man. All these moves, see, like, it's either gonna be a choppy day or it's gonna be a great day, right? I mean, we could be stuck in pre-market levels the whole time, and we're gonna literally just disrespect levels within the pre-market levels the entire day. Use Thinkorswim for your intraday. Yeah, so Thinkorswim, I have like 4 accounts on. So I have like a long term, a leap, a day trade, and then a full send, like a penny, and then my Robinhood. I just have a day trade. So I still use Robinhood. I mean, if I've taken trades for the day on my TD and like everything's up and I'm green on the TD account, then I'll go to Robinhood and I'm like, all right, let's see what else I can play with if there's a good setup. Because you also, I don't want to over trade, but if there's a setup, there's a setup, type shit. Scary money don't make money. That's it. That's all I gotta say to. Let's go. And TD's interface, like to trade with, is you feel like, when I first just used Robinhood the whole time, and then I grew my Robinhood to like 20,000. So then I put 10,000 into TD, and then grew that to separate the different accounts. So like you gotta diversify essentially. And all right, that's actually a great point. If anybody on here is using Robinhood and you're limited for that pattern day policy, go to your account settings and switch to a cash account. And then you could use settled funds and you could trade as many times as you want. But if you have, $300 in there and you use 250 of it on a SPY play, then you only have $50 left to use for the day, which is, not a bad gig. It kind of makes you more patient and wait for the best setup. But also, if you're doing a $300 account, I recommend taking like a $150 trade at a time. So that way you at least get 2 chances in case you do stop out on the first one. Let's go. So yeah, Meta's decent. Hood, I forgot about Hood. Oh my Lanta. Hood's actually a great dip buy right now too. Low key. Where we at? Hood's at 25%. I'm adding to Hood this morning. If you're on here, I'll tell the Discord too. I am adding to Hood long terms, save extra capital in case we keep going. Again, anything 20% discount or more, I'm adding. Boom. All right. Let's do the watch list. We've been talking. It's all right, though. It's good. It's good. This is freaking nuts. Y'all know I don't like trading nothing pre-market either, so I don't know, man. We could go above that 668 to 670 if you want to be safe about it. We could go. See. I mean, that 15-minute ORB could probably break up to go grab that PDL to come down. So I think we're going to be patient today. I'm going to be super patient today. And I personally, what I would like to see, and what I'm going to tell you on the watch list, so if you're in here, you'll get it. I just want to wait for price to come to this 670.5 level. And I want to see what we get right here. Because that Beautiful, beautiful rejection at this 670 for so much downside potential to see, right? Let's go. Okay. Yeah, so that's so 670 break and reclaim and then go down, right? Okay. That's good. So we'll go SPY 670.5. See, good morning, y'all. We also have PPI today. Good morning, y'all. Be careful. It's Friday expiration. So go light. That's Friday expiration, and a huge move has been made already. So usually when this happens, we already know that the big money already made their money, right? Like essentially the big guys, they're good. So now it's just left to retail traders who sit here and try to be like, oh, all right, let's try to get some pennies. And we get stuck in chop, right? So sometimes it's not worth trading, but that's why you need to have discipline and patience. Be careful as far as expiration, and a huge move has been made already. So go light and careful today. All right, SPY would like to see that 670.5 reject to go back to lows, right? So when I say go back to lows, I am saying 665. I do believe that we can come all the way up to come all the way down to sweep it. And then if we break it and we don't come back below it, well, then we just take it to the upside. Crazy concept, I know, but it works. So let's see, back to lows or above. We'll go 670. I mean, we'll just stick to there for now. Or below. So, or we go below that 665 that we just broke, 664. I'm going to make it 664 for y'all now. Down to, see, I think that should go there, 662. I think that should go there. Below 664. Down to 662. Let's just double check there. Yeah. Yeah, we Gucci. 6-6. Yeah. Still a $2 move. Below 664 down to 662. And then you got below 662. Below 662, we set up nice for a pretty big move to that 658. So that would definitely be you can watch that 660. That's 662. Yeah, I see the 660. Shit, man. You gotta watch 660 too. See, this is why we gotta double. This is why we prep, right? Preparation beats all. So we still got 662, 664, 662. Then another $2 move to 660. We'll go then 660.5. All right. So when I say and then, So if I'm saying like right now we're going over this, all right, and I'm saying to the downside, to the upside, I'm talking if we go past this level and we break below strong with good volume, retest, get confirmation of that retest and rejection, and continue a move down, this is when you enter. So you wait, you get it here, you get it loaded, you enter as it starts to push. You could trim at the next level and then wait to see what it does at the next level, right? Sometimes it just breaks right through it and you're like, all right, cool. Sometimes it'll tap and wick all the way up and scare half the people out of their position and then fall through. So like for me, I'm not counting my chickens yet until we break, really. I mean, even if we get down here, that's why I don't look at my profits when I trade. Because if I get down here, I'm like, all right, so far so good, but we still need to reject here to continue down, right? So, think of the bigger picture. Try not to be attached to the money. Just logically trade. I feel like that was a good breakdown. Yeah, hell yeah. Fire. Super hot fire. All right, NVIDIA. Let's see. So that's SPY. What else do we like today? NVIDIA 181. Okay. She holding there. Could go that 181.5 reject or just below 180 to 179. It's $1 move. Not even worth it. We're going to wait on NVIDIA. Tesla, come here, baby. Oh, yeah. Tesla gets me excited. Especially on Fridays, because them contracts go from like $120 to freaking. We've had some crazy ones. But we've also lost like 100% of Tesla before. So my logic on every day is play to lose. All right, how much do I want to lose today? If I'm cool with losing $150, I'll play within that risk. I mean, this is really just, 380, 377. We'll see. Let's see if we just push down. So crazy. So crazy. If we get that break from 380, below 380 for sure, take Tesla. I mean, hopefully it happens a little bit later. Like, hopefully it just goes up a little bit first. But Tesla definitely below 380 to 377. And then below that, 380 to 377, below that to 370. Now to the upside. I mean, we don't really want it to the upside. I want it to drop. But to the upside, you probably can go that 384. But you're welcome. Hey, can y'all hit that like for me? So far, I think this is a new record. We got what? 5 on the whole time. Fire. Super oversold. Oh my gosh. Bullish divergence on everything. That's it though. Let's just do that. AMD you could do. I'll do AMD. AMD is pretty nice setup, actually. That ain't too bad. So let's keep that for Tesla. I feel like upsides are just gonna have to. I'm just gonna go downsides. We'll play upsides as it comes, except for AMD. We'll go 246 to 250. 246 to 250 or below. We're gonna go below 237.5. 237.5 to 235. All right. I say we just keep that how it is. All right, y'all. Good luck. Any questions, comments, concerns? Thank you for the likes. Good questions. Make sure to give it time. Is that it? All right, y'all. Good luck.